Welcome everyone. This is Madhustata Guha.
And he is Abhishek Dattaray.
We would like to, there is a very important development for all of you, and it is going to come as a breaking news. So be prepared.
So, the breaking news that we are going to come forward with is we are announcing our freshers. And there is little bit of sadness that I firstly want to convey before giving you the breaking news that sir will definitely convey. Firstly, we had announced that our fresher will be at the cruise, but everybody, all of us know that due to COVID-19, there are many plans that we are needed to postpone and maybe delay it, but we didn't get the NOC from the government, so we had to sadly cancel the plan about the cruise that we were planning for the freshers. But now we have the entire freshers party planned and we are coming up with a bang. Sir will announce with further news.
Okay. Now, as ma'am said, it's really sad. You all must be feeling very unhappy. कि चलो यार cruise में क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? But let me tell you, ISHM is giving you a better option. This time we have organized for not an induction program, we have organized for a freshers party. Freshers party which we are going to have in the Westin Kolkata, which is a 5-star deluxe brand under the Marriott Hotels. And we have planned a welcome freshers party for all of you, for all those lovely students who have joined us for this current academic year. And we are going to have it on 29th of January. It is going to be an evening event. It is going to be all fun and games. Further details, Ms. Guha will let you know.
Yeah, so the basic event that we are planning is of the freshers, but don't be sad because you are going to have a blast. And how? We are going to dance, we are going to dine, we are going to take every advantage of that evening. And basically, we have a theme for the party. Boys are going to come in black and girls are going to come in red. So we will have this as our dress code, and we are going to dine, we are going to dance, we are going to have a DJ and whatnot. Other than that, we also have few events lined up on the same evening. We'll have a mehndi corner, we have a tattoo corner, we have a body art corner, face art corner and whatnot. We will also announce a fashion event on the same evening. We'll pick up some students from the crowd itself and we'll ask them to have a ramp walk. If anybody wants to perform, anybody wants to sing and dance, we are open for it. So it is going to be a night for you people and we are waiting for it.
देखिए, every time we had this induction program जहाँ हम लोग it's basically where students come, they talk to a lot of faculties, subjects. Come on, you have already met us. You know your subjects. So that is why we have planned कि let us do something different for
something
new. So what we thought, that's the reason why even we did not come in formals today. We are telling to you because we ourselves we have gone to the party mood. I think am I right?
Actually.
So इसलिए दिल थाम के बैठिए, मस्ती होने वाला है. You're going to have a blast. Remember the dates. It is 29th of January. It is going to be evening. Next, very soon in next week, we will give out the invites or the pamphlets. It will be there in your groups for all of you lovely students to come and attend. So finally we are meeting. Finally we are going to come out of the mobile screens. We are going to come out of the laptop screens, and we will meet face to face.
Yes.
I don't know about you guys, but at least we are very excited about this.
Absolutely excited.
So let us all know. चलो भाई, let us, बहुत हो गया कि हम लोग पढ़ाई बहुत हो गया. चलो अभी थोड़ा मौज मस्ती करते हैं. Of course,
but we will not forget COVID-19 again, and we will have all the precautionary measures that we need to take. We'll definitely take it. Along with that, I want to add another thing, sir. हम लोग जो रात बिताने वाले, जो शाम बिताने वाले, it is going to be nothing less than a Karan Johar movie. So let us have a bang.
Yes, and one thing, कहानी अभी यहाँ खत्म नहीं होती है. ये आप लोगों को उसी दिन पता चल जाएगा what all we have installed and we have lined up for you. So let us keep that as a surprise. Come and meet us at the freshers and let's have a blast. So for now, see you there.
See you. Bye bye.